welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you people how to create a YouTube picture. So first of all, you come to Pixel Lab app, you click on shape, you turn this one to a round object, give it a color which is black, click yes, mark it. So you go to copy it, change it to the other side, change the color of the second object, but it should not be in red, it should be in white because you want to cut out something. Draw it inside to match the size you want, to match the area you want. Yes, this is what you need. Go at the top for this layer, click at the bottom line here. Let me show you where you click. Here, click there, click here, mark the two in together. This is where you will mark it. This is where you will be marking it. All these ones, this is where you will mark it. So mark them, then come back here, merge them together. It will show you, are you sure you want to merge selected objects? You say yes. So come back to the layer that follows you, enter there, this layer. Click on the layer, then you are out of there. Then for this down icons, screw them to the right until you see erase color. This erase color. This erase color. So click on it, click on the erase color, enable it, enable, then the white has disappeared. You have this color, this icon. So click on OK. So now you want to add another thing inside this thing that looks similar to this object, but you will turn the other side that is smaller to that side of the one that is bigger. What I mean is that you want to do the same object, so you will take this side, you will take another object inside, but this one, the bigger side will be from this side, the smaller will be inside, so that will make it shine very well. So let's do it like that and see. So come to shape again, draw this one there to form a round object, come inside, give it a color black, then move it away from that. So what you will do now is, if you want to do the work together with the first object on the surface, you will make a lot of mistakes. So come at this layer, here, click on the layer. So the first object you created, look at it here. So what you will do is just lock the first object. This is where you lock it. This is where you have locked it. Look at lock there. So you have locked it. Or if you don't want to lock it, at this place you don't need to lock it. So you will click on this eye. If you click on that eye, the first object will hide, it will be hidden. So you will continue your work. So let's put on eye. So as you can see, the first object is hidden, but it's still on this background. So let's work on this one. So from here, I will draw this one small, then click on the other object to see whether this one is inside, because you use the first one to do work on the second one. So enlarge this one to the level you want. Yes, this is how I want it to be. So I will hide the first one, hide. So I will do work on the second one now. Okay, go back to shape again, turn this one to a round object, click on it, give it a color, give it, yes, it is on white already. Yes, it's on white. Now we want to use white, so draw it inside, keep it like this. Yes, this is what I want to use. Yes, this is the right shape I want to use. So I have to mark it here, Go inside as I show you how to merge it. Merge the two. Leave the first one. Don't merge this one. Leave the first one because it was from the other object that you want to use. So come down here. Merge it again. Are you sure you want to merge the selected object? Yes. So you come back to the main interface. Screw down. Just tap on it to give it a layer covered it. Then come down here. Select erase color. Click on it, enable it, the white has disappeared. So now you are bringing in the other object. How are we going to do it? Click on this layer, go in there, then on make it to be visible because you lock it, you make it that time invisible, so make it to be visible. Let me show you how you will do it. As you go to that layer, click on the layer, open, look at where it is showing invisible. For this eye icon that is showing eye sign, so you as you click on it like that, it was invisible. So now if you tap on it, it will be showing visible now. So let's do it. Tap on it, then it has shown visible in the main screen. So how are you going to do now? You are positioning it where, so you will merge the two together. 1 2, merge together. So now both of them can move together. So let's put them in the middle. Yes. So now what are we going to do? We will go to shapes, crop this one, crop it like this, crop it inside, then bring it inside this place, crop it a little bit. So from radius here down, from down here it is written radius. Look at the radius. Look at radius here. Look at radius. So you draw it, then till that object form what you like. So started drawing it. Yes, this is what I like. This is what I want it to. This is how I want it to appear. So I will give it a color. I want to give it a red color so that it will not be same with that black. Yes, there's the color I want. So now you want to select an icon, a YouTube icon inside there. So you still come to shapes. Click on this box. Click on in this box. There's an arrow inside that looks like triangle. Click on it. Then you come to select triangle here. So there, yes. Drag it to be small. Drag it to be small. Drag it. Drag it. Draw it inside here. Then use something that look like C. Turn it. Turn it. Sorry. Turn it. Turn it to be like this. Let me arrange it in a good way. Yes. It is now okay. So come at the top. Click on this merge. Merge the two. Click on it together. Come back to the layer. Go down here. Look for a red color. Click on the red color. Enable it, and an icon has formed inside there. Click on it. So what you will do now, you have to click on this layer again, go inside, lock the two objects that are outside the red box. So this is how you will do it. Click here, go inside, click this one, go inside, lock this one, leave the other one because you are going to give color on those ones that are on black. So you have to come to texture, click on it. Sorry, lock the other one, leave these ones. So come out, give color to texture, give their texture. So click on it. How are you going to do it? Go to where you download your colored from Pinterest. I have downloaded mine already. So you select what an icon you want to put them in. So now let me select gold color. Yes, it is saturated. So now let me merge all of them together now, because I'm going to be working on all of them now. 1, 2, merge together. Come back to the main interface. So screw by the side. Come to shadow, enable shadow. Choose the color you want it to be on shadow. Click on it. Add the radius, small. Come down, add the offset, small. Let it not go like this. Just add the offset small, so that it will make a good shape. Come again. Offset 0. Add it to come down small. Yes. You are done with this one. Then go to inner shadow. Enable it. That one should be red. Add it. So come down to offset. Add it again small. Add it small. Come down to offset Y. Add it small. Well, let's take that color to black. Yes, let's give us what we like. Add this one a little bit. Mark it as yes. So come to emboss. Enable it. Yes. It gave us what we want. Intensity. Drag it like this. Drag it. Put it like this. Come out here, drag this one. Specular hardness, drag it. Then bev, drag it. Then you mark it. So now we are getting what we want. So come back to shapes. Enable the shape. The depth. Reduce the depth. Just add it a little bit to make it a confined shape. Then go down. Darken, increase it. No, reduce it small. Yes. Come to rotation. If you want to rotate it like this, you rotate it like this. If you want to leave it like this, leave it. If you want to put it like this, you put it. If you want to leave it like this, you leave it. But my own, I would like it to be like this. Add this one. If you want to change it how it will stand. But I want my own to be at this level, so that it will be showing 3D very well. So click on yes. So now you are finished with the work on the ground. So you have to give it a background, because the original background that is there will not give you the texture you want. So which background are we going to choose here? Can we choose white? No. Can we choose a cap? No. Let me check whether we can choose a wooden background. A wood background. Can we choose this one? Let's try this one and see. Then from here, this thing is covering your object inside. So there are some icons at the bottom here. Written, this one is written to back. Whether to put it to back, this one is written to put it to front. So if you leave it like this on to front, this background will cover your object. But if you take it to back, then the object will stand at this background. So we're going to put it on to back. So have you seen how it started? But I don't like that background, so I have to change the background. So let us go back to the Pinterest things that I downloaded. Pinterest background I have downloaded to make it sharp and more. Let me choose. I want to put it on a wooden design. Let me choose this one and see. Let me choose this one and see, because this one is somehow saturated. to back to back. This one has tried, but still never give me what I want, so I will still delete it. Import another one, go to gallery, come to where you have saved your Pinterest background. Let me try it now so that everyone will like it. Let me put this one. To back. No, this one is not also saturated. Go to check another one. Let's use this one. Let's use this one. To back. There was a little mistake. That's the reason why I keep people slow. Yes, this one has been here and is okay like this. So let's bring it up like this. Increase it. Yes. So click this, save it to your gallery. Then you can be able to export it anywhere you want. That is how we do.